My name's Andrew Wheeler. I'm the Vice President of Maintenance for United Parks, which is SeaWorld and the Busch Parks and the Sesame Parks. As the VP of Maintenance, I oversee the safety of all the parks and guest attractions throughout our system. Safety is a core function of what we do for our parks, for both our guests and our employees. Mobaro gives the team a unique way to view their inspections each morning and document them appropriately. If we need additional resources in the field, we can look at a ride manual. We can ask for additional assistance. We can take a picture. And all that gets documented and communicated across the leadership through all the parks and myself. Every team member in the park has access to Mobaro as an application through some type of device, whether it be on a phone or a tablet. Once trained, you can go onto any of the individual ride or attraction checklists, those customizable components that we ask for additional pictures or a specification that needs to be documented every day. And it's as simple as opening a checklist after you put in your password. We can customize it as much as we want. And if we don't have the expertise in building it, the Mobaro staff helps us build those profiles for us. At SeaWorld, we have a set of safety standards that are company-wide, plus the set of specifications that the ride manufacturer gives for us. We combine those two concepts into the questions we get to our employees on a daily basis. So every day, they're doing the daily, weekly, monthly inspection given to us by the manufacturer on top of our own safety standards that we have here at the company. Between, right before the sun comes up and 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning when the guests walk through the front gate, there's thousands of inspections happening at the same time. And Mobaro gives us a unique tool there because the moment that there's something that gets flagged, an opportunity that needs to be addressed immediately, there's a communication piece that the team has to document whatever they find and pass on to leadership so they can get immediate assistance for the resources. So it has to be signed off, it has to turn green in the system to be green tagged for our operations team to start their next round of inspections. I started operations ride maintenance, back in the 90s. Everything was paperwork back then. If you missed something on one of those inspection checks, there's no catch. You can skip a step or mark the wrong line and you can still move forward. With Mobaro, unless you actually document every single one of those steps and sign off, you cannot move forward. It can't get rained on, it can't get blown away in the wind. It's come a long way, and to have it on a simple device such as a phone or a tablet makes it super easy. It's in a format that is savable, and we can reference at any point in time. So tomorrow, if I want to look back 6 months ago to see what happened on a given morning, I can do that very easily. We're growing as an organization with the help of Mobaro. It is one of the most critical tools that we use on a daily basis. We work with our local team daily, and I don't think you can find a better group of industry professionals than our industry has, and I'm just proud to work with them every day.